How's everyone doing? So I had an idler pulley disintegrate on me on the way to work the other day. I did steal a pulley off a parts truck I have here. Not the right pulley. It's not a groove pulley like this. It's the one that you're supposed to run on the backside, but it's been on there for 3 days and it's held up to get the job done until I waited on the new pulley to show up. So yeah, it fully disintegrated. It was just sitting there. I don't know how it didn't throw the belt. So we're going to change that. We're gonna get on here on the tensioner, let the tension off, get the belt off. Of course, I'm gonna try and keep the belt on most of the spots. Get the tension off. Pretty simple pulley to change. This is on a 98 S10, but it should work for any second gen S10 without AC. So like I said, this pulley that I'm taking off is the wrong one. I just put it on here to get by so I still could drive the truck. I didn't know if it was gonna throw a belt because it didn't have the groove for it to sit in or not. Here's the new one. Here's the new one. Put this back on. I'll tighten that up after. Bada boom. Now we'll just tighten that. That feels like about 15 pounds. My internal torque wrench. So you've seen how long that took. So that was the pulley I put on there. It was the wrong one. It's off of a truck I got in the back, but it did get me by. Did what I needed it to. So there we are. New pulley on. And that was 3 minutes and 40 seconds and could have been done a lot faster if I wasn't yapping. You guys have a Merry Christmas. Thanks a lot for watching.